Okay, so our final topic of our solutions unit is solution stoichiometry. So in aqueous solutions of sodium carbonate and nickel 2 nitrate are mixed, nickel 2 carbonate precipitates. So we have our balanced chemical equation here, and it says what volume of 0.366 molar nickel 2 carbonate is required to completely react with 55.8 milliliters of 0.5 molar of sodium carbonate. All right, so we want to know what volume of nickel 2 carbonate. Since we're in molarity, we know it has to be in liters. And they give us 0.366 molar. And we start with 55.8 milliliters and 0.5 molar. All right, so we're going to start what we know here. We know both volume and concentration of sodium carbonate, so we're going to start with that. So we're going to start with 55.8 milliliters. We're going to change those to liters. Now from here we're in liters. We can use our molarity unit. So they said we have 0.5 molar or 0.5 moles of Na2CO3 all over 1 liter of solution. Now we're in moles of Na2CO3. We need to get to moles of NiCO3. So we're not going to use our mole ratio. Remember, it's solution stoichiometry. So 1 mole NiCO3 all over 1 mole of Na2CO3. And then our last step here, we want to know the volume, right? So 1 liter of solution will be on top. And on the bottom, we're going to have 0.366 moles of NiCO3. So I plug this in my calculator. And I should get around 0.08 liters. So now the bottom question here, it says, how many grams of nickel 2 carbonate? Okay, so I'm just going to rewrite everything here. You don't need to do this, rewrite everything here. You could just take what you got from this part multiply that by the molar mass of nickel 2 carbonate, which is 118.72 grams. Plug that into the formula. You get 6.62 grams of NiCO3. And the last example here, so it says aluminum hydroxide precipitates when aqueous solutions of aluminum sulfate and sodium hydroxide are mixed. So it says what volume of aluminum sulfate we're going to be in liters of 0.136 molar aluminum sulfate is needed to completely react with 26 milliliters of a 1.20 molar NaOH solution. So we're going to start with the values we know, both of them. So we know both values for NaOH, so we're going to have 26 milliliters. Change those to liters. Now we can use our molar concentration, which is 1.20 moles of NaOH all over 1 liter of NaOH. Oops, sorry, solution. Okay, now we're going to use our mole ratio, so 1 mole of Al2SO4 all over 6 moles of NaOH. And then our last step, we want to go to liters, so liters will be on top. 0.136 moles of Al2SO4 will be on the bottom. And that's it. So 26 times 0.001 times 1.2 divided by 6 divided by 0.136. And we should get 0.04 liters. And this concludes our video on solution stoichiometry.